Imagine a dish that offers a symphony of flavors in every bite. A tantalizing blend of sweet and savory, a riot of colors that is a feast for the eyes. Picture succulent pieces of tender meat nestled amidst a bed of fluffy couscous, infused with the rich aroma of exotic spices, studded with juicy raisins and crunchy almonds. This, my friends, is the quintessential Moroccan dish, a beautiful marriage of tradition and taste that takes your palate on a delightful culinary journey. Now step into the world of Moroccan gastronomy and discover how to whip up a creative Moroccan dish. A delightful fusion of traditional Moroccan couscous and a burst of unexpected flavors. Start by gathering all the ingredients. For this dish, you'll need 1 cup of couscous, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, a handful of raisins, a handful of almonds, a dash of saffron, a pinch of cumin, a pinch of cinnamon, and some salt and pepper to taste. First, heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and bell peppers and sauté until they turn a beautiful golden brown. The aroma of sautéed onions and garlic will fill your kitchen, setting the stage for the culinary masterpiece that's about to unfold. Next, add the couscous to the pan, stirring continuously to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom. When the couscous has absorbed the flavors of the sautéed vegetables and turned a lovely golden hue, add the raisins, almonds, and the spices, saffron, cumin, and cinnamon. The sweet raisins, crunchy almonds, and the blend of spices add a delightful contrast to the savory couscous. Finally, season with salt and pepper, cover the pan, and let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. The couscous will absorb all the flavors, resulting in a dish that's bursting with taste. And there you have it. A creative spin on a traditional Moroccan dish, a beautiful melange of flavors that's sure to impress. To recap, we started off by sautéing onions, garlic, and bell peppers in olive oil. We then added couscous to the pan, followed by raisins, almonds, and a blend of exotic spices. After allowing the couscous to simmer and absorb all the flavors, we seasoned the dish with salt and pepper. The result is a creative Moroccan dish that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Cooking is an art. And like any art form, it's all about experimenting and pushing the boundaries. So don't be afraid to put your own spin on this dish. After all, the best part about cooking is the freedom to be creative. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure.